At Andersen, the last probably 2 or 3 years, we've seen significant growth in our business. As we've seen significant growth in the business, we found a number of constraints, both in the area of resources, but also in the area of equipment builders. We were going out looking for partners who were able to bring the engineering resources, but also some of the equipment build resources to the table. So we went out and we're looking for some of those partners, and we found Foth. We're very pleased with the relationship that we struck up with Foth. The 100 series is a family of products that was launched about 10 years ago. It has really taken off over the last 5 years. Very popular product for us right now. We've grown out of our capacity needs in those 2 plants, and so we quickly needed to look for that next opportunity in terms of where we're going to produce the next capacity for the 100 series. And so we worked with Foth and had a very aggressive timeline to go after and put up a 550,000 square foot facility within about 11 months, and then outfit it and get the equipment up and running in about 3 to 4 months after that. Initially, we were looking for both that engineering resource and that partnership, as well as the equipment capacity needs and automation. But really what came to light very quickly was the capability that Foth brought to the table around innovation. We look at this new facility as the design of the operations, really the manufacturing model of the future for Andersen. So to be partnering with Foth and other partners to be able to create that manufacturing model for the future is really exciting.